Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and today's video I'll be showing you how to use Hula AI Video Generator app. As you can see, this is the app right here on my screen. So how do you install this? You need to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for Hula AI app. So let me go there. So I'm going to my Play Store now and I'm going to search for Hula AI, so you can see that. So once you click on install, it's going to be installed and you click on open. So you click on continue, click on continue, and you pick if your gender, that's a male or female. You can actually skip that, but we're going to go through that process. So you click on dive in and continue, 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 continue. This is just like them showing you the templates they have and the rest of our filters. So you keep going, and here is where you have to protect the Google design or blah blah blah. You can just read that. So you can pick what you actually want, or you can just skip that. So I'm going to pick video clips, I think, for now. Just and you can actually choose to subscribe, right, to make it more easier, yearly and weekly, and click on that to use the free one. So let's go upon, and you have to subscribe definitely. So how do you subscribe? You click on if it's yearly or the weekly you want to go for, but I think they're giving 77% off forever, so you can use this opportunity to just subscribe instead of subscribing for, I think, around 42,000 naira in Nigeria currency. You'll be asked to pay 33, that's 77% off. So what you do is click on to subscribe and make sure you have linked your card to your Google Play. So once it's linked in to that, you will be able to just click on subscribe and put in your fingerprints or your password to subscribe them, right? So after doing that, you can now have a lot of chance to actually use the app very well. So you can see this right here. So here you can choose to, okay, here is where you make discovery and see a lot of templates you can use and rest of that. And this is AI chat, where you get to chat and describe the image you want to get and the rest of that. So let's try to create an image. So you can see they have a lot of rules and policy you have to follow before you can use their app as well. Sorry. So we're going to Visual Studio, and I think I'm going to add my photo. So you click on that photo right there and click on allow. Click on don't allow. So I'm going to click on allow all, and here is where you get to see all your photos. So you can just pick a photo you want to create just like that, as you saw on that there. So let me pick this and let's see with this. So though they say I have to subscribe, so you see why it's necessary to actually subscribe in order to do things. So I feel like there's no free something free you can actually use, like you have to pay before you can make use of anything. So that's how to create a photo, and this style you can create a style, but you have to subscribe as well. So, and this is also like videos, clips, and the rest of that. So this is literally how to just use the Hola AI app. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and you guys subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see my next video. Bye.